as I explore around, wandering through this place. It makes nonsense till it makes sense.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my morning routine, show you guys how I get into a routine, what my routine is, how I like to start my day early and get on top of things right away. I'm really sorry if the lighting is blue. It is like so gloomy out today and it's like making my camera look really weird, but I'm gonna give you guys a little OOTD. So, alright, so this is today's outfit. My shirt is from Forever 21. Jeans are Hollister, and then my belt is from Forever 21 as well. And then I have some jewelry on. I have this chain necklace on and some earrings that are both from Allyssa. So this video is actually in collaboration with Allyssa. They actually sent me these pieces. I also have some hoop earrings. You guys know that I have been absolutely loving gold jewelry, and especially the hoop earrings. I've been loving that kind of jewelry so much, and when they reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I want to try your pieces. One thing that I noticed right away when I got the pieces is that they just felt like such good quality. They literally feel like luxury jewelry without the price point. Their pieces start off at $39 and then they range all the way up to higher end prices, so there's pretty much something for everyone. I hope you guys know that I would not talk about a brand if I did not like fully support them. And yeah, I just really love this brand. I think that it is so great what their mission is. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions, which is so great. I love the packaging that it came in. It was literally like no plastic was used. It just came in these little pouches, which has like the name of the piece that you bought, and then it just says Allyssa. And yeah, I just love the brand so much. I love the mission that they are trying to accomplish. I think it is so great, and I really think you guys will like this brand. So if you guys want to purchase some for yourself, you are able to use the coupon code Allyssa10, which gives you 10% off at your checkout. I will have that in the description bar in case you guys forget, but be sure to check out their jewelry because it is so amazing, and I really think you guys will love it. I'll give you guys some close-ups of the jewelry too, so you guys can see what they look like close up. I really like this necklace. This is the Juicif necklace, I believe. And yeah, I think it's really cute. It says BU in the middle right here. And yeah, I just think it is so cute. Literally the quality of this, you guys, it just feels so nice. So yeah, they're really good quality. The prices are not that bad. And yeah, I think it is so amazing. All right, I was gonna do my hair, but I really don't think it looks that bad. So I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And I might put on some makeup, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then I'm gonna make some coffee because I need some to start my day. Alright, so I pretty much just put on mascara and that is it for my makeup today. I was gonna do more. I was gonna do like a full face of makeup, but I just didn't feel like doing it today, so we're just rolling with this. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. I really don't have that much stuff to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to pump it out this morning and then have the rest of my day free to like hang out with my boyfriend and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some coffee now though, because I need some energy. So for my coffee, I used to go to Big V all the time, which is where I work. It's a coffee shop. I used to go there like every morning and get my coffee, but I decided I was gonna try to make it at home. So I bought a couple things for that. So I have a caramel syrup and a hazelnut syrup. I don't really know if you can see this, but I bought those. They're both sugar-free, which they pretty much just taste the same, so it doesn't really make a difference. And then let's see what else I bought. I bought a lot of things. Okay, so I bought this iced coffee from, this is just from Meyer. It's just a Starbucks dark roast. They didn't have medium roast. Well, they did have medium roast, but it was like sweetened a little bit and I wanted the unsweetened one, so I just decided to get dark roast. Honestly, it tastes the same to me. And then I have this Nut Pod French vanilla creamer, and then I ended up getting a pumpkin spice one, which I'm not a huge fan of. I thought I would like pumpkin spice more, but I really don't like it that much. At least that one anyways. It's not really my favorite. So I think what I'm gonna do today is this. I wanna do iced coffee, hazelnut, and then creamer in there, so. Okay, I'm gonna try. I haven't tried this combination yet, so. That's really good. It tastes like a cappuccino. That's kind of weird. I don't really know if I like that. Like, it was good at first, but now it's just kind of getting old. I need to make a to-do list for today. I need to make a to-do list for today. Like I said, I really don't have that much stuff to do, so it shouldn't be too long of a to-do list, but I just want to get some last minute things done because I have to work all weekend and I really don't want to have to do it this weekend, so that's what we're gonna do. If you guys don't know, for my to-do list, I just use my bullet journal. If you guys want to see my video all about my bullet journal, I have posted one if you want to go watch it. I will have it linked up here if you are interested in watching that, just to see how I use my bullet journal and what I like to put in it and stuff, so. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, so I just have a couple of things, just small things really, that are not gonna take me that long. So yeah, it should be a pretty productive morning. And then I just wrote a little quote down here to motivate me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but pretty much in the mornings I just like to plan out my day. If I know of anything that is going to be coming up within the next couple days, I like to do that too. I like to look over my planner, cross off things I did the day before. Just things like that to keep me organized, because otherwise if I don't write things down, I definitely will forget about it. I actually just got my work schedule for next week, and I'm going to go ahead and write that in my planner and on my calendar that's on my wall. She did schedule me for 4 days next week. I'm just gonna write that into my planner, and then I can probably start on my English. Literally such a gloomy day out. It's raining. There's the construction If you saw my last video, they were making lots of noise.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
Yeah. 1, 2, heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes falling. Oh, oh, oh. Heroes falling. I'm still calling. Heroes falling. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so it is now 10:30 and I'm going to update my to-do list a little bit. I've gotten a couple things done. Time is just flying by, honestly. I did not think it was already 10:30, but my English rough draft, I just turned that in, but I could not find it, so I'm just gonna cross that off. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for today's morning routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, getting a little insight into my mornings and how they go. The rest of my day is pretty much just going to be that Zoom call, and then I'm just going to edit this video and get it up for Sunday. Also, if you want to check out Allyssa, I will have the coupon code linked in the description box. Their jewelry is so amazing and I love them so much. And I'm definitely sure that you guys will too. So be sure to check out their website. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. I think that is everything. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.